Happy early Thanksgiving from Grandma Auto Repair. We're getting ready to celebrate Thanksgiving here too, and we're gonna ask our team a quick question about what their favorite Thanksgiving food or tradition is. So what's your favorite food or tradition for Thanksgiving?
Tradition is when the family all gets together, and then also every other year we go to the ocean.
Probably dessert.
Like pie?
Yeah, pie or
What's your
whatever.
favorite kind of pie?
Cherry.
Green bean casserole.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Well, besides having my family all together, when I was a kid, I used to watch a lot of Flintstone shows, and they had that one episode with the pie, and he would pick it up and just eat it with his hands. So every year on Thanksgiving, I look forward to pumpkin pie because it's solid enough you can pick it up and eat it that way. So it's one of my favorites with lots of whipped cream.
Beer.
Beer?
Thanksgiving beer. Beer.
Do you like pumpkin beer?
No, I like Thanksgiving beer.
What's Thanksgiving beer?
It's the beer you drink during Thanksgiving
Oh.
when you watch football.
Pies and deep fried turkey.
You can start watching Christmas movies like Die Hard.
Oh. That's your favorite Christmas movie?
No, you can start watching Christmas movies on Thanksgiving
Like Die Hard.
because Die Hard's a Christmas movie.
Okay.
Favorite tradition, it's a new one since my daughter's only 3, but making Thanksgiving dinner with my daughter.
Just look forward to spending time with family. Good food, of course, and don't need a whole lot of sweets, but my grandma's pecan pie is pretty awesome.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food or tradition?
I think my favorite food would probably be the green beans and bacon.
So, Rick, what's your favorite Thanksgiving food or tradition?
For tradition, I traditionally cook for everyone. I love to cook. I smoke up a couple of turkeys and a ham, and we just have a family gathering. My favorite food is all the food that I cook.
My favorite food is mashed potatoes. Without gravy, I just like straight mashed potatoes.
Well, I would have to say probably that I love the deviled eggs the best.
Ooh, you have deviled eggs?
Deviled eggs.
I'm coming to your house.
Come on over. I'll give you my address.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you all have an awesome Thanksgiving, and let us know in the comments what your favorite food or Thanksgiving tradition is. We'd love to hear from you. Bye. Oh, you're not ready? Okay, who's ready? Okay, Troy, are you ready?